Abdullah, it's time for Quran class.
Oh, okay, coming. You know what? It's actually wrong. I'll be right back in the lesson.
Bismillah, alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Assalamu alaikum. Read Al-Qur'an the easy way. Lesson number 9A, on letters with soft waw and soft yaa. Let's talk about a very special letter, waw with sukoon. When there is fatha before waw with sukoon, it gives a soft sound, as in mew, bew, wow, and fell. Remember, don't say ma, wa, fa. This sound is similar to what we have in English: mouth, south, house. Caution, be careful. Don't say mouth, solve, half. Now be ready for a quiz. What is the name of waw in these? Mu, bu, fu. Oh, yes, I got it. It is waw mad. Because you know why? Because there is dhamma before waw with sukoon. But what about these? Mew, bew, few. Oh yes, it is soft waw, because there is fatha before waw with sukoon. I hope you understood. Let's move on. And now let's talk about another special letter, yaa with sukoon. So when there is fatha before yaa with a sukoon, it gives a soft sound, as in may, bay, way, fay. And don't say may, bay, fay, way. This sound is similar to what we have in English: dubay, fly, lie, right. Caution, be careful. And not to say dubay, flay, lay, rate. Now be ready for another quiz. What's the name of yaa in these? Me, be, we. Oh yes, it is yamed, because there is kasra before yaa with sukoon. But what about in these? May, bay, way. Oh yes, this is soft yaa, because there is fatha before yaa with sukoon. I hope you understood. Let's move on. Let's try to read those words that occur most frequently in the Qur'an with soft yaa and soft waw. Repeat after me twice. Let's start with the first one. Ew, ew, ew. A, 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 a. Bew, bew, bew. Bay, bay, bay. Bay, bay, bay. Tew, tew, tew. Tay, 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 tay. Thew, thew, thew. They, 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 they. MashaAllah! Well done! We have come to the end of this lesson. May Allah help us to recite, understand, implement, and propagate this Qur'an. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.